Imagine this. You wake up one day, grab your morning coffee, and instead of opening your laptop, you are the laptop. Okay, maybe not literally, but what if you could upload your brain into a computer? Would you become immortal, a digital ghost, or would you just be stuck in a eternal loop of buffering? Alright, before we start throwing ones and zeros around like we know what we're talking about, let's break it down. Brain uploading, also known as mind uploading, is the idea of copying the entire structure of your brain. Your thoughts, memories, personality, and bad dance moves onto a digital system. Basically, turning you into software. Think of it like saving your brain as a backup file, except instead of a USB drive, it's a supercomputer that, hopefully, doesn't crash mid-update. Scientists theorize that if we can map every neuron, every connection, and every electrical impulse in our brains, we could create a digital version of ourselves that thinks and acts just like the original. Sounds simple, right? Yeah, not quite. So, is this even possible? Well, kinda, but also not yet. Our brains are made up of about 86 billion neurons, each connected in an unimaginably complex network. Scientists have started mapping tiny bits of brain tissue, but mapping an entire human brain is like trying to scan every grain of sand on Earth with a magnifying glass. One method that might work in the future is whole brain emulation, a fancy way of saying we'd scan your brain at a super microscopic level and recreate it digitally. But here's the problem. Brains aren't just hard drives. Our minds are shaped by chemistry, emotions, and experiences that aren't just on or off. Trying to digitize that? That's like trying to turn love into a PDF file. It just doesn't translate that easily. Alright, let's pretend science makes a breakthrough and we can upload our brains. What does that mean for humanity? Well, of course, with great digital power comes great digital responsibility. If we can upload minds, who controls them? What if your file gets hacked or copied? Imagine waking up one day to find out there are 3 of you running around the internet. Yikes. Then there's the issue of wealth. Would brain uploading only be available to the ultra-rich? Would we create a digital class divide where some people live forever while others don't get the chance? It's like the VIP section of reality, but way more dystopian. Here's where we turn it over to you. If given the option, would you upload your brain? Would you want to live forever as a digital consciousness? Or do you think that sounds like a sci-fi nightmare waiting to happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a brainstorm going. Pun absolutely intended. If you enjoyed this dive into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next mind-blowing topic. This has been OmniThinx, your go-to place for deep thinking on the future. Until next time, stay curious, stay human, or, whatever comes next.